Bengal tiger, which one is bought from Sundarban, which one is the world's #1 mangrove forest. It's between Bangladesh and India, and most of the part is in Bangladesh. Sundarban's tiger are now the main attraction of Dubai Safari.
Hello everyone, what's up? This is Suhail Rahman with I Love Travel. Welcome to another brand new video, and today's video is very special. I hope you don't want to miss it because of I'm in Dubai Safari Park, which area is 12.8 million square feet. So it was opened by 2017, but 2018 there was closed because of the renovation and the improvement. And 2017 there was like 2,500 animals. So and is reopened by 2020. So that time it's almost 5,000 animals are there now with the 250 species. The park's major source of energy is solar energy, and this location is called Dubai Al Warka 5, and it's on Hatta Road. It's opposite side of the Dragon Mart International City. So if you want to come, you have to come by taxi, or if you have your own car, so it's very good. Or because of there is no public transport yet, public buses or public transport not yet here. So right now let me show you the main entrance. The park is divided by 5 areas: Explorer Village, Arabian Desert Safari, Asian Village, African Village, and Wadi Village. So step by step, one by one, we'll see. And there is a ticket price, how much is the online and the directly if you come here. So I'll let you know. This is the main entrance. So now right now I'll go inside. This is the area of security checking and ticket counters. If you don't have a ticket, so you can buy it from here. And after that you need to go for the scanning the ticket before you enter in the park. In security checking area, there is, we can see rabbit. It's in Bangla call is khargosh. Ticket scanning is here, and after time to checking in the park, ticket checking point, I got this belt. It's written also Dubai Safari Park. I already enter inside the park. So there is the bus, train or bus, whatever. So I'll go with this. Look at the bus. I'll go with this, and this is fully air conditioning bus, and I'll show you the inside of this. And with this bus I'll go to the Giraffe station and then I'll get the another bus to for the 45 minutes ride. So this is the inside of the bus. This is fully air conditioning bus. Just look at inside. Here I am right now in Giraffe station, and I'll go there. Just you can see I'll get the bus for my another 45-minute ride inside of the zoo. This is the bus. I'll take 45-minute ride with this. We can see now the first animal. It's called hippo. বাংলা এটাকে বলে জলহস্তি, কারণ এটা পানিতে বেশিরভাগ সময় থাকে। Just now see the giraffe. বাংলা এটাকে জিরাফি বলে, প্রাণীদের মধ্যে সবচেয়ে উচ্চতম প্রাণী। Look at those are called baboon. এটাকে বাংলায় বলে এক জাতীয় বৃহদাকার বানর, বানরের মতো দেখতে, বাট অ্যাকচুয়ালি বানরও ডাকে না, বাট বানরের মতো দেখতে এরকম করে। এই যে দেখেন একটা আরেকটার খেয়াল রাখতেছে, আর এটার মধ্যে একটা বস আছে। এই যে দেখেন সবচেয়ে বড়টা যেটা, এটার নাম হচ্ছে আলফা, এটা হচ্ছে এখানকার বস। তো একটা আরেকটার সাথে খেলতেছে, টেকিং কেয়ার অ্যান্ড প্লেইং উইথ ইচ আদার। White one is called Scimitar oryx. This is from normally can see from only Africa. See the brown color small one. It's called springbuck. It's can jump 3.5 meter. It can running very faster. বাংলায় বলে জাম্পিং হরিণ। এটা অনেক দ্রুততম দৌড়াতে পারে এবং 3.5 মিটার পর্যন্ত উঁচুতে উঠতে পারে জাম্প দিয়ে। তার জন্য এটা নাম রাখা হয়েছে জাম্পিং হরিণ। The ostrich, which is the largest of birds. বাংলা এটাকে বলে উট পাখি, পাখিদের মধ্যে সবচেয়ে বড়, দেখতে প্লেনের মতো। Now time to meet with king of forest, lion, যাকে বাংলায় বলে বনের রাজা, সিংহ।
দেখেন এইখানে চিড়িয়াখানার মধ্যে বনের রাজাকে বিড়াল বানিয়ে রেখেছে, কারণ বনের মধ্যে থাকলে শিকার করতে পারতো, বাট চিড়িয়াখানার মধ্যে তো শিকার করতে পারে না। রাইনোসার্স, হুইচ ওয়ান ইজ দ্য থিকেস্ট স্কিনড অ্যানিমেল? দিস রাইনোসাস। বাংলায় এটাকে বলে গন্ডার, সবচেয়ে মোটা চামড়ার প্রাণী। আনকুল কাউ, you can see it only in the Africa. Crocodile lives in water and on land. বাংলায় যাকে বলে কুমির, যেটা স্থলেও থাকে জলেও থাকে। Look at this animal. This is called Arabian oryx. This is the national animal of UAE. Not only UAE, it's a national animal of Oman and Qatar also. It's called Arabian oryx. এই প্রাণীটা হচ্ছে ইউনাইটেড আরব আমিরাত, ওমান এন্ড কাতারের জাতীয় পশু। এটার নাম হচ্ছে অ্যারাবিয়ান অরেক্স। ডিয়ার, এক্সেস ডিয়ার অর চিতাল, পিপল আর কলিং ইটস চিতাল। আমরা বাংলাদেশের এটাকে হরিণ নামেই চিনি, এটার আরেকটা নাম হচ্ছে চিতাল। এখন আপনাদেরকে একটা আকর্ষণীয় জিনিস দেখাবো, যে জিনিসটা আমাদের বাংলাদেশ থেকে এসেছে, সেটা হচ্ছে রয়্যাল বেঙ্গল টাইগার। এই যে টাইগারগুলো দেখতেছেন, এগুলো আমাদের সুন্দরবনের থেকে আনানো। সুন্দরবনের রয়্যাল বেঙ্গল টাইগার এখন দুবাই সাফারি পার্কে, যাকে আমরা বাঘ বলে ডাকি, বাংলার বাঘ এখন দুবাই রাজত্ব করতেছে। রাইট নাও সি দ্য রয়্যাল বেঙ্গল টাইগার, হুইচ ওয়ান ইজ বট ফ্রম সুন্দরবন, হুইচ ওয়ান ইজ দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ডস নাম্বার 1 ম্যানগ্রোভ ফরেস্ট. It's between Bangladesh and India, and most of the part is in Bangladesh. Sundarban's tiger are now the main attraction of Dubai Safari. Buffalo, it's a second source of the milk after cow, and mozzarella cheese also making from this buffalo's milk. বাংলায় আমরা ডাকি মহিষ। This is the nilgai and is female. Nilgai female. Final animal with the 45-minute ride. This is cheetah. It is the fastest land animal. It can run per hour 80 to 128 kilometer. এটাকে আমরা চিতা নামে চিনি। স্থল প্রাণীদের মধ্যে সবচেয়ে দ্রুততম দৌড়াতে পারে চিতা। এক ঘন্টায় 80 থেকে 128 কিলোমিটার দৌড়াতে পারে। After end this ride, I'll go to the all villages separately. I'll show you how it's look like.
I'm already reached in African village, so this is the entrance. Now I'm entering inside and show you. This is the inside of the African village. Just look around and see the cooler fan. They will make you more comfortable.
They made it like a rainforest. This part they made it only for birds in African village.
Guys, now time to explore our village. So this is the entrance. Let's see inside. Now in Asian village.
So guys, finally we reach in the Arabian Desert Safari. So let's see what is the available and what we can see, the which animals and what is look like.
This is the Wadi village. Let's see what is inside of the Wadi village. See, the peacock is just walking here. It's open area, and this is in Wadi village. So I'll show you. Actually, Wadi village is nothing is here like animals or any like something like a zoo. It's just like a garden or what you call park, something like that. I'll show you, but it's looking awesome. And this is the lake, and see, the lake is like this, and I am standing on the top of the bridge. See, this is the bridge. So in the Wadi, but right now no one is here because of the closing time. It's already closed also. Just only enter can exit, we cannot enter, so that's why people are going out. So this is the Al Wadi village. So guys, this was the video about Dubai Safari Park. So I think this is not enough. I got only 3 hours, but this 3 hours is not enough. If you want to enjoy the full, and if you want to see the each and everything, so you have to come at least 12 o'clock or morning, because of 5 o'clock is for closing, and then 4 o'clock is they're not allowing to enter. So 5 o'clock, if you are inside also, you have to come out. So that's why I'm saying, if you want to enjoy the full each and everything, so you have to come on morning. So right now I'm telling about the tickets. There is a 3 type of tickets. One is the 50 dirham, other one is 85, and third one is 110. So if you come, if you take 50 dirham ticket, so you will never get any service. You need to walk inside of the park and you see the, I mean, what is there. And if you take the 85 dirham, you will get the bus or train service. Each and every area they will drop you, and then when you visit done, and then you have to the other bus to for other area. So, and 110 dirham, that is like that is only one ride. You will get on the bus, and then 45-minute ride, and then after that 45 in the 45-minute they will show you the main point like inside of the main zoo. But each and everything, if you want to see, you have to take this ride also, 110 dirham, and if after that, if you have energy, so you can go and walk. Okay, because of the Wadi village, there will never there is no bus service. You need to walk. And I missed one area, that is a kid farm, because of already 5 o'clock, so I cannot go there. I couldn't go there, so that's why. So that's why I'm saying, if you're coming here for more experience, so you have to come on morning or afternoon, at least 12 o'clock. If you will be late, so I think something will be missed. So this was the video. How was the video? Just let me know with your comments, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends, and don't forget to like. See you on the next video. Until that time, stay safe, stay healthy. ভালো থাকবেন সবাই, আর সবাই দয়া করে আমার ভিডিওটা শেয়ার করবেন আপনাদের ফ্রেন্ডদের সাথে, আর আপনিও পুরো ভিডিওটা দেখবেন। এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন যদি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে না থাকেন। তো ভালো থাকবেন, আল্লাহ হাফেজ।